Okay, this is a 50-word introduction. Asterisk vehicle grade capacitor shell. Asterisk. Asterisk is specially designed for extreme environments in automobiles, using high temperature vibration, chemical corrosion, resistant engineering plastics such as PPM, PBT with high reliability, sealing and flame, RETARDANCY. It has passed strict certifications such as AECQ200, ensuring that the capacitor is a key component for stable operation through those outs. Entire life cycle of the vehicle.